Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Ear Cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential personal hygiene tools, offering a safe and effective way to maintain optimal ear health and prevent discomfort caused by wax buildup, ensuring clearer hearing and a fresh feeling without the risks associated with traditional cotton swabs, making it a game changer for anyone seeking a gentle and thorough solution for ear care. Number 5. Medi Grade Ear Syringe Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you struggling with blocked ears and reduced hearing? This innovative ear syringe kit offers a gentle and effective solution. It helps you maintain optimal oral hygiene from the comfort of your home. Equipped with 3 unique quad-stream tips, this device ensures thorough and safe ear wax removal. Its design provides a comprehensive water irrigation experience, targeting all areas of the ear canal. Say goodbye to muffled sounds and discomfort. Regular use of this tool can significantly improve your hearing clarity. It promotes better ear health and overall well-being. Designed for simplicity and safety, this ear cleaner makes at-home ear wax removal straightforward. Its gentle water irrigation method is a comfortable alternative to harsh tools. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for effective ear care. It's a reliable tool for anyone seeking a simple yet powerful solution for ear wax buildup. What we like. This product offers a gentle, water-based approach to earwax removal. Its unique quad-stream tips ensure thorough yet safe cleaning. If you prefer a non-invasive, doctor-recommended method for ear hygiene, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Bebird our One Ear Wax Removal Tool. Tired of guessing when cleaning your ears? This innovative tool provides a clear, high-definition view of your ear canal. It helps you remove wax safely and effectively, ensuring better ear hygiene. Equipped with a 3 million pixel, wide-angle lens and 6 LED lights, it delivers stunning 1080p resolution. You'll see every detail and corner of your ear canal with unprecedented clarity. Connect it directly to your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi using the Bebird app. This allows for real-time viewing at 20 frames per second, and you can even capture photos or record videos of your examination. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. More than just a cleaner, it's also an excellent examination tool. Paired with various replacement tips, it effectively tackles both oily and dry ear wax, ensuring thorough and gentle removal. Its utility extends beyond just ear care. With specialized observation kits, you can also examine your nose, teeth, and throat. This makes it a truly versatile health monitoring device for the whole family. What we like. This innovative tool provides a clear, visible way to clean your ears with its 1080p HD camera. You can connect it to your phone via Wi-Fi to see exactly what you're doing. If you're looking for a high-tech, precise, and multifunctional device for detailed examination and cleaning, this is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Multifunction Cleaner Kit for Airpods and Earbuds. Are you still struggling with unhygienic headphones or bulky cleaning tools? This innovative cleaner kit offers a revolutionary solution. It's designed to keep your audio devices pristine and extend their lifespan. Experience a new level of cleanliness with its pen-like design. This tool cleans every part of your Bluetooth earplugs, from the smallest holes to the charging compartment. It ensures a thorough, dead-end-free cleaning experience. Crafted from soft, high-quality materials, this cleaner ensures no damage to your delicate earplug components. You can clean with confidence, knowing your devices are safe. It's designed for both effectiveness and protection. Its clever double-head hidden design meets all your cleaning needs. A metal tip tackles stubborn dirt and crevices, while a soft microfiber brush cleans tiny parts. The other end features a lightweight brush perfect for the charging case. With its compact, pen-shaped design, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. You can use it on your Bluetooth earbuds, phone, camera, or tablet, ensuring all your digital products stay spotless, wherever you are. Looking for an ideal present for a tech enthusiast or anyone who uses headphones? This kit is the ultimate accessory. It helps clean those hard-to-reach areas, making it a thoughtful and practical gift. What we like. This compact cleaner offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, perfect for intricate cleaning tasks. Its pen-shaped form factor makes it incredibly portable and easy to use on small components. If you own multiple small electronic devices like earbuds, cameras, or phones and need a precise, on-the-go cleaning solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. Error: Source JSON is empty, cannot extract reviews. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. Bactine Max Pain Relieving Spray. Experience rapid relief from discomfort. This powerful spray works quickly to soothe your pain. It's designed for fast action. Its convenient spray design allows for easy, direct application. Simply point and spray where you need it most. You'll appreciate its hassle-free use. Formulated for maximum effectiveness, it tackles tough pain. You can trust it to provide the relief you seek. It delivers powerful results. Feel the soothing sensation as it goes to work. It helps you get back to your day with less discomfort. You'll feel better in no time. Keep this essential spray on hand for life's little mishaps. It's a reliable solution for unexpected aches and pains. You'll be glad to have it ready. What we like. This product focuses on immediate pain relief and antiseptic protection. Its convenient spray application ensures quick and easy use for minor irritations. If you're looking for a fast-acting solution to soothe discomfort and prevent infection after cleaning or for minor skin issues, this spray is a great addition. What people say. Number 1. Hion 6PCS Extended Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs? Research shows they can actually push earwax further into your ear, causing more harm than good. It's time for a safer, more effective solution. This professional kit is crafted from 316L stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust or cause allergies. Its nano-polished surfaces are smooth, preventing any scratches or irritation to your delicate ear canal. Each tool features a double-headed, extended design, perfect for tackling both dry and oily earwax. From 360 degrees adhesion removal to gently massaging wet earwax, these specialized curettes ensure thorough cleaning. Designed with an ergonomic, anti-slip grip, these tools ensure a safe and efficient cleaning experience. They come in various sizes to fit all ear canals, and are easily washable and reusable for lasting hygiene. This kit includes a portable storage box, keeping all your tools organized and secure. You won't have to worry about losing them, making it perfect for both daily home use and travel. We prioritize your satisfaction and are confident you'll love this effective ear cleaning solution. If you're not completely happy, simply contact us. What we like. This professional kit provides a durable and effective solution for stubborn earwax. Made from 316L stainless steel with an ergonomic, anti-slip design, it ensures safe and thorough cleaning. If you prefer a reusable, long-lasting set of tools for comprehensive earwax removal for the whole family, this kit is highly recommended. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.